CONA is a very unique group. We are a collection of several physicians, nurse practitioners, and physician assistants. We very much have a team approach to taking care of our patients. Our ultimate goal is to make the patient get better as soon as possible and to try to avoid surgery. Every physician has their own area of interest, and even though we're seeing someone that may not necessarily be under our specialty, we will do our utmost to try to get that patient into the physician that can take care of them. We are a collaborative group and work together to try to get patients feeling better as quick as possible and as easily as possible. We are able to offer a very wide range of ancillaries. When patients come to see us, we're able to do almost everything they need to help them get better under one roof to make it as easy as possible for the patient. We are also private, so we are able to work at either hospital in town. We are able to offer much lower cost of care by trying to get patients to have surgery at outpatient surgery centers when applicable. That is much more affordable than having surgery at hospitals. We also have in-house x-ray, we have in-house bracing, we have in-house MRI, in-house physical therapy, EMGs, and almost everything else that the patient could possibly need to make their experience as easy as possible.